Hi Girl Boss Beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to the Girl Boss Beauty community. I'm Stacey Elaine. In today's video, I'm going to show you what I blew my February budget on. If you're interested in shopping, how to get luxury for less, or just to see some really cute handbags, then just keep watching and I would definitely recommend and love it if you would subscribe to my channel. Now that we got all that out the way, let me show you what I got. So in my luxury handbag collection video, which if you haven't watched it, I'll link it above. In that video, I told you guys I had already ordered 2 new luxury handbags in February. I ordered both bags from a site called Rebag. I just started looking up the bags I wanted and I saw that Rebag had both of these luxury bags at excellent prices, in excellent condition, and I just bought 2 at the same time. I feel like buying both was less than, the price of one on other sites, so I'm okay with the price that I paid for it, but it does mean that your girl might be going back on a handbag no buy pretty soon because my shopaholicism is like brewing and I'm on a roll. I feel like I'm on full speed ahead. Like I'm going full speed ahead, you guys. So I got both. I ordered both on the same day on the same order. They did not come delivered in the same box nor on the same day. So I'll show you what I got first. It came in this nondescript brown box. I got them both delivered to my office. Came wonderfully stuffed with all of this packaging material. It was beautifully wrapped, you guys. And it came with this ticket. Now this ticket only has one item on it, but it has the total cost of both. So I thought that was interesting as well. And this is how the first bag came. Now, before I show you guys, guess what the first bag is? Just put it in the comments below. You know how we watch videos and you comment along. Just let me know what you think I got. So it has this yellow Rebag. This is like a cotton bag. In my luxury handbag collection video, I told you guys I love dust bags with drawstrings, and this is one. It's a very nice bag. So love how it came wrapped. I have no regrets about the packaging or the shipping at all. So the first bag that I got, I have not worn, and it is, dun, dun, dun. I got a Fendi By the Way bag. So as you can see, when it comes with this tag, and it just has the Rebag branding on one side, and on the other it says returns will only be accepted if this tag remains attached. So I have not taken it off yet. And then Rebag has their own authenticity as well as ranking and rating, and it's called Rebag because they will automatically buy your bag back in 6 months. So it's saying I could buy the bag now for a certain price and turn it in within 6 months for at least 70% back in credit towards your next purchase. And they already have the amounts there, and that's hanging off as well. So I got the Fendi By the Way bag in purple python, and it comes with the normal tan python handles. It also comes with the python strap. Now Fendi, I was in the Fendi store the other day, and the strap is so nice because it's just buttons, but they have redone the strap for 2020. And this is a 2019 version bag. So how you adjust the strap is like pants. Like you would just move it down like that. And that's how you would extend the strap should you want it. Yes, so this bag was rated by Rebag to be in like good condition. I would say this bag is in very, very good condition, almost excellent. So I love the Fendi By the Ways because it is a Boston style bag, a duffel kind of bag, but it has reinforced corners so it does not lose its shape. It has a flat bottom so that it does not lose its shape, unlike, you know, other duffel bags that other brands sell. And you can pull the handles up like this, or you can make them go away and just push them down. It's a very versatile, functional bag. Like I said, it came with a strap, and it came fully stuffed on the inside, and the Rebag card is in here. And when you open it up, it's a picture of the bag as well as how it's certified authenticity. And so they say this is a Rebag number. It has a serial number. The brand is Fendi, and the model is By the Way Satchel Python Small, and it's certified by Rebag.com. So I actually love all of these little pieces that they sent. I think they did a really great job. And I'll put this back in here. So this is the first bag, the Fendi, by the way, in a purple python. In some lights it actually looks blue, but to me it looks beautiful. I love, love, love it. And I love this bag because it's versatile. Like I said, you can hold it by the strap, you can hold it by the handles, and then I saw a lot of people just hold it like this. Cool girl style. Yes. So this is my first bag that I purchased, and I will sit her here. She's so cute. Okay, the second bag also came from Rebag. Oh, and let me mention, this bag sold, it was an exclusive to Neiman Marcus. It sold at Neiman Marcus for $3,100, and I purchased this. Rebag had a sale, and I purchased this for $725. That's all I have to say. $3,100 down to $725. Yeah. So anyway, oh, actually got less than that. This bag actually only cost me $700 because both bags were take $25 off or $50 off your total order. So if I take $25 off this bag, it's $700. $700. Yeah. So the second bag came the following week. It came just like this. Again, beautifully wrapped. This one actually came with a Rebag sticker on the tissue paper. A wonderful bubble wrap that I'm gonna save because this is what I like to stuff the inside of my bags with. This one also came with the same type of authenticity card. I'll show you later, but this time it came in a white Rebag dust bag where the other one was yellow, and it's more of a sturdy, like linen cotton blend, not just like the fuzzy cotton. It actually came with its own dust bag as well, and when I show you the dust bag, you'll be able to see what I got. I got a 3.1 Phillip Lim bag. So on my wish list, I stated that I wanted a mini Pashley bag, but I wanted it in a colorway that was unique and kind of fresh and that I don't see all the time. Not a plain one, because I have a large plain black, and then I have a medium, no, I have a large blue with gold hardware. I have a medium with black with gold hardware. And you guys, when I saw this one, it just screamed, yes, it goes with so much that I have in my wardrobe, and I've actually already worn it. So I've already removed the little Rebag tag from this. This is the bag that I just got that I'm sure I just showed you on YouTube. I am going back in the future in this video, but I got it from Rebag, and this is the tag that they have on it. I just wanted to show it to you guys. And then on the back, it says returns will only be accepted if this tag remains attached. So I'm about to cut the tag now. Dull scissors. So it's officially mine. If you looked at my Instagram, you would have seen that InStyle said that baby blue, denim, and pink should be mixed together. It's based off of the Givenchy show for spring summer 2020, and this is my inspired look right here. And all of my spring colors are like this baby blue. As you all know, I bought this in January. This denim chambray skirt kind of onesie. And then I bought this month. And then the pink items were old, but I also added lots more baby pink in February. I even got my nails baby pink. But yeah, so now this is mine. I'm actually going to carry it today. I'll show you my outfit. Outfit of the day is this Zara dress. It definitely gives me like Alexander Wang vibes. I love how the quilted pillow top kind of sleeves, and it's just so voluminous. I love the baby doll look. You know, baby doll dresses are back now, but this is an old one from Zara. They had this in the winter, and I picked it up for $9.99 on sale. These are really old Target slides. They're by the DV by Dolce Vita brand, and they sold them at Target a few years ago. I bought them in blue and white and yellow. And then my newest baby, denim diesel brand Sunnies today, that I think just pulls the look together. So I'm actually wearing just a basic black dress, but you know, we can't be basic, so we're doing baby blue accessories. Even my watch has a baby blue dial. It's by Fossil. Bringing it all together today, and I'm loving my look. I would say this bag is in excellent condition, to be honest. So came with the little authenticity as well, and I bought this bag for $310. So that's how much this one costs. So my total plus $20 shipping, they charged me $20 for both bags. It came to $1,030 for both of the bags. That's all I have to say. And this bag is just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Love, love. So these are 2 bags for $1,000 plus shipping. And I'll sit you here. I'll sit you here. Just a little eye candy. So then, because I was not done blowing money fast, I bought a pair of shoes that were on my wish list. And the reason why I bought these shoes is because I'm going on vacation next week. I'm going on a cruise, and I really just wanted to have the slides for spring. Houston is transitioning to spring weather right now. This is the first week of March. And so I just felt like it was the perfect time to buy them. If I was not going to buy them right now, I'm going to be honest, they would have been sold out and I would not have been able to get them. It's a long story attached with this. Let me know if you want to hear how I went #on the hunt for these shoes. But they came today. That's why I'm filming this video. It just came in this box like this. I purchased these from Nordstrom, and they are by the brand Dior. If you follow me on the gram, you would have seen me post a picture of the exact ones I wanted. These are the D-Way slide sandals in dark blue. They cost $690. This is by far, like no competition, by far the most expensive pairs of shoes I've ever purchased, ever. I cannot believe I wanted to spend $700 on some slides. So when I die, y'all better bury me in these dang Dior slides. Do you hear me? But how beautiful are they? How beautiful are they? Oh my goodness. You guys, I'm a size 7.5 and I needed a 38 like really badly in these slides. These, I actually bought another colorway, so I'll tell you part of the story. I bought another colorway first and I thought that they were a little more comfortable, and they were the ones that had the metallics and Christian Dior wearing gold, but I definitely preferred these. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that post as well about decisions. That was the decision. I decided to keep these. I got them from Nordstrom. I used triple points, so I will be getting a Nordstrom note back for buying these. But you guys, I just really wanted these for my cruise, and they are the animal collection. They have the little lions on the inside, if you can see that. So these are the items that I got off my luxury wish list all in February. Let me know what you think about them. Actually, if you don't like them, let me tell you, sis, I don't care. Because I am in love. I am definitely like out here in the la la land of not on a no-buy anymore, but I do need to rein it in. I have been saving money, but just not as much as I should have been saving, because I actually don't think I'm gonna buy a house by mid-year, so I have a little more time to save. So I decided to, I guess, just buy shoes. But I am saving money. I'm saving a lot of money. I still have a year's emergency fund saved up, so if I lose my job, I can pay all my bills and live for a year. With that does not include any type of extra savings or 401k or even what do they call that, unemployment. No, just money I got saved. So I got money saved, and now I got good shoes as well, you guys. I have to give the financial side, because everyone who is a real follower knows I'm on a strict budget this year, and I blew it. So anyway, let me know your thoughts on what I got. Please subscribe to the channel for more unboxings. I have lots of great content coming up. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to wear and how I'm going to style what I got for the cruise. If you want to see that, I know you do, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. As I say in every video, be blessed to be a blessing. Girl Boss Beauties. Bye.